Hey everyone, and welcome to the community. I'm excited to have you here. You're watching this because you're ready to stop trading time for pennies and start building a high margin landscaping business. This is your roadmap, your North Star. It's exactly how we're going to scale your business 3 times to 10 times from where you are now by focusing on specialized high ticket services. Let's walk through the path from where you are now to where the big money is. The first thing you have to do is pick one lane to master first. You're going to choose between hardscaping if you want those massive 20K plus projects, drainage solutions and irrigations if you want to solve desperate pain point problems that people must pay to fix, lighting if you want high visual impacts and clean technical work with great reoccurring revenue. Pick one. Don't worry, you can add others later. But for this accelerator, we start with a focused niche. Once you pick your service, we move into the training. I'm not just showing you how to do the work. I'm showing you how to do the work at a premium level. If you want to charge top dollar, your quality has to be untouchable. We covered the technical specs, the equipment you'll need, and the pro tips that prevent expensive callbacks. Now, once you have the skill, we need to feed the machine. First, we look at lead generation. I'm going to show you exactly how to get high intent customers into your pipeline so you aren't chasing low ballers on Facebook Marketplace. Next, we move into qualifying. You're going to learn how to use a CRM to track every lead. We don't let money fall through the cracks. We're going to separate the looky-loos from the ready-to-buy homeowners and where the checks get signed. I'll give you the exact sales presentation and script to close these deals without feeling like a sleazy car salesman. But what happens when the weather turns? That's where off-season overflow comes in. We use the expanded revenue playbook to pivot your services. We use LeadSig to automatically message your existing database to ensure cash flow stays constant 365 days a year. Finally, we talk about branching out. This is how you move from solo to CEO. We teach you how to find A-plus players and build a culture where people want to work for you. Everything we talked about is available for you to learn right here in our free community. You get the roadmap, the what, and the why. But for those of you who want to skip the line and know the how with one-on-one mentoring and done-for-you options with a LeadSig setup, become a premium or VIP member. We don't just tell you what to build, we help you build it, or we do it for you. Stop hustling, start mastering, go to module 1, pick your specialization, and let's start building a system that actually pays you what you're worth. Let's get to work.